to make a child theme in WordPress with Bluehost. First, you make 2 files with Notepad. I put them below in the description case. One will be saved as style.css and the other one functions.php. In Bluehost portal, you click on Advanced, then File Manager. Under WP Content, you click on Themes. Make a new folder for the child theme. Open the folder and upload the 2 files from your computer. You've got to rename the functions.php text to functions.php. Under the dashboard appearance, you activate the new child theme. Now you will be able to write CSS in the editor.